Hey everybody, today we're in a Lincoln Aviator. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip console mount number 855559. Now, before we get started, we just want to make sure that you're going to install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. Now, so this mount is going to attach on the side of the console right here, and it's going to go into the seam between the silver part and then the soft outer edge. And then also there's a seam down on the underside between the soft edge and the harder plastic underside of the console. So the first thing we're going to do is take this upper angled edge here, and we just want to slide it into this seam. And you want to get right about basically in line with the black control panel here. So you just slide that in, and now we're going to use our thumb to press down and our fingers to press in on the other side until the bottom lips snap into that underside seam. There we go. Now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.